Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and once again I welcome you to my IELTS review video of 3rd March IELTS exam. Now 3rd March test was a global test and it was conducted all over the world. So guys, whenever there is an IELTS test, try to choose a date which is a global date. There are two dates of IELTS test. One is global date and one is local date. If it is a global test, then all over the world the test is going to be same. When it is conducted by British Council or if it is conducted by IDP all over the world, the test is going to be same if it's a global test date. But otherwise, if it's a local test date, then it can be any other test. So 3rd March was the global test date and you can check through Google which is global IELTS test date and which is local. Anyways, I received some messages from the students. The first message I received from Akshay Verma. Akshay Verma is from India and he says, I'm a student of yours, and then he wrote about listening was very easy but he did not share any detail with me. Reading was difficult. Thank you, Akshay. I mean, you should have shared some information. And writing task 1, there was a formal letter. Okay, thank you. Damaging historical building in your nearby area, write a letter to news editor. And task 2 was younger and older generation doing work in the same workplace together. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages. Okay, anyways, thank you very much, Akshay, for your message. Next message I received from Pakistan, and this is the message from Dr. Abid from Burewala. Burewala is one of the cities of Pakistan. So he conducted his IELTS, he took his IELTS test from IDP, and he said in section 1 we had actually complete sentences with one word and it was easy. So listening section 1 was sentence completion with one word only. Section 2 there was a map and you had to complete that. Section 3 there were MCQ. 5 MCQs were very easy and 5 MCQs were very much difficult. Okay. Section 4 there were blanks and section 4 was easier. Section 4 was sentence completion, it was easier. Dr. Abid attended gender training IELTS. So in his reading he said section 1 there were questions like yes, no, not given, and it was easy. Section 2 following information difficult, blanks were easy. Alright, so which paragraph contains the following information? That was difficult, and then there were some blanks and the blanks were easier. In section 3 again, following information, which paragraph contains the following information? And then there were matching scientist names, and there were 5 MCQ. There were questions about that, and then there were MCQs, and MCQs were very much difficult because in gender training usually candidates they require 8777, so they put somewhere something difficult so that they failed to get 8777. Okay. And in writing essay, there was a problem and solution essay. People are not getting enough physical exercise. What are the causes and how can we solve this problem? Alright, that was quite simple essay. Task 1, there was a letter to your friend, who are working, and when you left that country, you forgot to say goodbye to those friends and all that. And then speaking, describe thing. Okay, we don't need to go into speaking. Then afterwards there is a message. It's from India, but in the message there isn't anything important. It's only essay of 2nd March. Some believe that students should concentrate on all subjects in schools. Others believe that they should focus on subjects which are more interesting. Discuss both views and give your opinion. I told you IELTS is conducted worldwide, so somewhere there can be opinion essay, somewhere discussion essay, somewhere problem and solution. There was a table and a bar. So this time in academic writing task 1, there were 2 things. One was a table and one was a bar chart. So you had to write about both. This message is quite useful, by the way. And overall writing was easy. Yes, I can see, and this message is sent by Ranjot. Ranjot Singh is from Firozpur, Punjab. Okay, thank you very much, Ranjot, for your kind message, and you've shared a great deal of information with me. Task 1, comparison of table and bar chart. Overall writing was easy. Listening was easy. Didn't write anything about listening. And reading, first passage was easy and then the other were tricky. Yeah, passage 2 and passage 3. Okay, reading first passage was easy and tricky. Easy but tricky, and passage 2 and 3, they were moderate. Okay, then there is a message from Africa. No, from Mauritius. Yes, I received this message from Mauritius. I think Mauritius is in Africa. I'm not sure. And I did the gender training today, but you did not write your name, huh? The last four digits of your mobile number are 6974. So please comment this video with your name. Task 1, you were working abroad. Now this is letter writing. Task 1, you were working abroad and had to move immediately to your home country. You did not say goodbye to your friends. You should write a letter to apologize. In the letter, you must apologize, say what is the reason that you did not say goodbye, and finally say about the best moments you had with them. So this was gender training writing task 1. Task 2, doctors argue that in many countries, less people are doing physical activities. I told you, when there is global test date of IELTS, it's going to be the same test all over the world. Try to take IELTS when there is the global test date. What is the cause of this, and how can this be solved? Give examples and all that. So he said, in fact, I paraphrased and I don't know. Then he says, sir, unfortunately, I did not get time to write the conclusion. No problem, don't worry. And about what can be changed. And for listening, the prediction you did was 100% accurate, and for reading also. Thank you very much, but you did not mention your name. I again repeat, 6974, the last four digits of your number. Please write a comment under this video. Then I received a message again from India. And today exam writing task 2 GT topic was, according to doctor, people are not getting physical exercise, same topic. And task 1, you're going abroad, it's letter writing. And listening, she didn't write anything about that, and she did not write her name, only the display picture is of a girl. So if you get to know the last four digits of the number are 4400, please comment this video with your name and all that. The last but not the least, there is a Romeo from Pakistan. He has sent this message, Tanveer Ahmed Malik. Tanveer Ahmed Malik is from Gujarat, and see what he says. Today I did my IELTS exam from IDP. I did test in Islamabad Center. First of all, bundle of thanks. In speaking part 1, she asked me question about my area where I live, hometown. In part 2, Q card. Describe someone who did not tell completely truth to you, and in third part she asked related to Q card questions. Okay, and then listening was very easy. In reading part 1, true false not given and one word only. Part 2, one word question and matching statement. Part 3, MCQs and yes no not given. Reading was also easy except part 3. So reading part 3 was difficult. As I predicted, one passage can be tricky or difficult. And then he says, but I was mentally disturbed. Okay, reason, I was thinking about my friend and all that. Okay, forget about that. Either you can do IELTS or you can think about your friend. Take IELTS, go abroad, and you will make a lot of new friends. Okay, and this is about it. That's all. So guys, there are a couple of things which I shared with you. They are the new ones. Whenever you take your IELTS test, try to take a global date of the test, and the calendar of the global dates is available on Google. Just go and write global test dates for IELTS exam and you will find a global calendar. So try to take your test when there is the global test date of IELTS, because it's the same test, it's very well organized. Otherwise, if it's the local date, sometimes the test can be very difficult, and it depends on your luck. Sometimes it can be easy as well, but global date is preferable. And take your IELTS test when there is the full test. Full test means academic and gender training together. You may get some advantage in that as well. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. I wish you guys all the best, and don't forget to tell me the result. Those who appeared on 3rd March exam, please share the result with me, and those who are planning to take IELTS test on 23rd March, for 23rd March I will make a prediction video, and I will also make breaking news video, right? And then I'll make the review video as well. And let me tell you, 23rd March is also a global test date for IELTS. Thank you. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.